What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Iowa, and welcome back to a special episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm showing you how to make my dad's famous pea salad. So, as he told me many times, let's get our ass in gear and get this thing done. So, come on now. That's right, baby. Pea salad. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, pea salad? What did you do to that thing? Well, are you doing what I think that you did? I don't know what you're talking about, Filthy McNasty, because this is pea salad. It's a tribute to my dad. You know, my dad passed away a couple weeks ago, and you know, one of the biggest things in his life was cooking. He loved to cook, and to him, food was love. That's how he showed his love to other people. He would make meals, and he taught me how to cook. He taught my brother how to cook, taught us everything we know about it. So, I'm going to try to do him good today with some of this pea salad. Now, thing about it is, what you going to do if you got a pea salad? Got to have some peas, buddy. And, you know, he used to just get a bag of frozen peas. So, that's what I've done today. Go ahead and set those to the side because we got to start cutting some things up, because that's the thing about my dad. If he was going to do something, and especially a recipe, he was going to do it right, buddy. He was going to get in there and get it done. So, first thing that I need you to do is get you a red onion. He always used to put red onion in there. And I'd say, Dad, is there a difference between the red onion and the white onion in there? Well, he said the color makes it just look better. So, that's what we're doing today. Now, you cut up your red onion, set that to the side. Next, got to get you a block of cheese. Now, there again, you better make damn sure that it's sharp cheddar cheese, or you won't be playing N64 for a week, because you done messed the whole damn thing up. You didn't listen to his list. Now, it's got to be extra sharp cheddar cheese. Get that and cube that up and put it in, put to the side as well. Now, we've got that cut up, we got that cut up. Next thing that you need to do is go ahead and boil some eggs, hard boil some eggs. Put them in that water, let that water heat up, let it cool down, let it do its thing, then peel the shell off of the thing. And then we're going to take these eggs, put them in a bowl, and crush them up, and we're going to set them to the damn side too. Now, next thing that we got to do, and kind of the final step before we get ready to put everything together and have that family dinner, is we're going to do the old family tradition and make the Mabry secret salad dressing, if you will. So, the base, and what you got to start with, is the Miracle Whip, the Miracle in Can, baby, because he would just use this stuff. I don't know why. He could have used mayonnaise. He liked Miracle Whip better. That was just always his thing. That was another one of those things that it had to be that. So, take you a little bit of Miracle Whip. When I say a little bit, I mean a large amount, and put it in a bowl. And then we're going to add just a touch, just a splash of apple cider vinegar, just to give it a little tartness there, sir. Now, to balance out the tartness, we need a little sweetie pie, just like you. So let's get some granulated sugar and just kind of sprinkle just a bit of that on top. Now, to give it a better consistency, we're going to take some milk, and I want you to, this is what my dad would say, he said, pour it around that thing until you got a moat around the castle there. You see how the milk is surrounding the whip. So, once you get that done, go ahead and stir it, and what you're looking for here is just kind of a creamy texture. You don't want it runny, you don't want it thick, and just go ahead and, you know, get you a spoon and kind of taste it as you go. If it needs a little more sugar, put some in. Needs a little more apple cider vinegar, put some in. That's the thing about Dad with his recipes. He never really had measurements. Everything to taste. So, you got to taste while you're cooking. How else you know it's good? Now, once you've got your dressing made, we're ready to put this shit together. Now, get your peas over there, mister, and we're going to put them in a bowl. Pretty good sized bowl, because we got some stirring to do. Now, next thing I want you to add is your chopped cheese. And you know, me and my brother used to stand there when he was cutting that cheese and we'd be stealing little pieces. He'd say, get out of there, get out of there. So, I was stealing some today. I had to. Tradition. Now, go ahead and put the cheese in there. Then I want you to add your onion on top. And finally, so you can gas the whole house out tonight, I want you to put some eggs in there too. Now, we're going to go ahead and add our dressing. And then you're going to take a spoon and stir it. You're saying, like, oh, couldn't you got a little something bigger than a spoon? Well, that's the way my daddy did it. He used that spoon, so that's the way I'm going to do it today. I think it makes it taste better or something. So, go ahead and flop that around. And once you get everything mixed up, we're going to go ahead and take this and let it chill in the fridge for a little while. I mean, it's pretty much ready to go right now, but we're just going to set it in there while we make our other stuff. And then we'll come back and have a sight and have a big old, beautiful, delicious, honorary bite of this pea salad tonight, buddy. Alright, baby, the time has come. The pea salad is done, and I'm having that first bite for Pops. Not for me, buddy. Got to have it for him this time. I think I got it, man. That is very, very, very close. It's really good. Almost exactly like he would have made it, but just not quite there. And I think that's just because he just put a little magic in there. That's the way he would do things. He had a magic touch. And you know what? I'm glad that he was around to touch all the lives that he did and share all his recipes that he did with us. And hopefully I can continue to share them with you if you want to join me again on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. So make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. And you can watch all my other videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to go and have a little bit more of this pea salad. Think about the good times, baby. So I will see you next time for a good time, and we'll have one, won't we? Yeah.